Alter table command. This DDL command is used to implement modification of the structure of the table. It is used in the following ways. If I want to add a new column in the existing schema of a table, then the syntax will be alter table, table name, add column name, data type. If I want to change the size of the existing column, then I write alter table, table name, modify column name, data type, and the size of the data type. It happens when you create a table and after some times you realize that you want to add or delete some column, you want to change the data type of some column. For all these purposes, alter table command is used. You can create the schema and after that you want to change the primary key or you want to make some column primary key, then alter table command is used. If I want to remove a column, then what do I write? Alter table, table name, drop column name. To change the column heading, alter table, table name, change, note this keyword, change old column name, new column name, data type. If I want to add primary key, then alter table, table name, add primary key, and in the parenthesis, the column which you want to make primary key is written here. To remove a primary key from a table, alter table, table name, then drop primary key. To add a new column, address in student table, suppose this is the student table and I want to add a new column, address in student table. What do I write? Alter table, student, this is the table name, add, because I am adding, then address, this is the name of the new column which is to be added in the table student, and its data type is varchar and its size is 20. To change the size of address column to 25 characters, suppose if I want this to be 25, how do I write? Alter table, table name, that is alter table student, modify address varchar 25. To remove a column address from the table, alter table student, drop address. To change column heading name to sname, I want to change this name to sname. Alter table student, change name, old column name, new column name, data type. To make ADNO primary key of the table student, alter table student, add primary key, and then I will mention the name of the column which I want to make primary key. To remove the primary key of the table student, alter table student, drop primary key.